The Porsche Scheduled Maintenance Plan. Now that you've selected your new Porsche, you'll want the finest possible care. The Porsche Scheduled Maintenance Plan allows you to manage your factory-recommended service in the most convenient and cost-effective way. Our engineers in Germany have determined the perfect service intervals to keep your Porsche running in top form. And by prepaying your maintenance, you'll rest easy knowing these services are performed without charge for the term you choose. The first year of scheduled maintenance is always included. After that, individual needs vary. Some owners keep their Porsches many years but drive limited distance, while others travel thousands of miles each year, but have a limited lease period. To cover the wide variety of needs, we offer 4 maintenance plans for vehicles with internal combustion engines. Plus 1 covers your second year of maintenance up to 20,000 miles. Plus 2 covers your third year up to 30,000 miles. Plus 3 covers your fourth year up to 40,000 miles. And Plus 4 covers your fifth year up to 50,000 miles. We offer 3 maintenance plans for electric vehicles. Option 1 covers your service at 2 years up to 20,000 miles. Option 2 covers your service at 4 years up to 40,000 miles. And Option 3 covers your service at 6 years up to 60,000 miles. All scheduled maintenance will be performed at your Porsche dealership by factory-trained technicians using genuine Porsche parts. Here's a list of included, replaced, or inspected items. After selecting your term, all you need to do is arrange an appointment with your Porsche dealer and enjoy hearing the words, "There's no charge for your service."